Hi, my name is Tony with Advantage Lifts. This is your exciting day. You're bringing home your lift on your trailer, and I'm going to show you an easy way to get it off of your trailer so you can put it into your garage and get ready to build it. Some things you might need to have is a couple of casters to be able to put under there so the lift can move, and then either a material handling lift or a cherry picker engine hoist to help you with the weight. It's two items that would be nice to have to make it a lot easier for you to put it together. First thing we're going to do is take off the banding, the cardboard, get it unwrapped so that we can take it into the garage. We take lots of care in wrapping the lift, so you can see that it's fully bubble wrapped, shrink wrapped, and cardboard boxed to help you get the product in good shape when it arrives to your home. We put plywood board underneath this bottom track so that when the forklifts go to handle it, it doesn't mess up the bottom of your track. What we're doing is taking a chain, gonna just go around the frame to give us something to lift this up and put a skate underneath the bottom of the track so that we can roll it off the back of the trailer. So what we're gonna do, so we're going to pick this end up. I've got my helper on the other end lane. He's going to push. We're going to roll this to the back of the trailer, set this end on a skate over on this side, and then pick that end up and drive the trailer out. Simple. Okay, now that you got the lift inside the garage, it's important to know where you want your power unit to set. You have two choices. It can either be on the car setting on the lift, it can be on the driver's side front post or passenger side rear post. This one we're going to set up with it being on the passenger side rear, and it's important that you have a hydraulic fitting that comes out this hole right here. It's important that you know this because your track has to be set in where the power unit is going to be. So the post that the power unit is going to be is right here, and it hooks to this port. So we leave the hydraulic port, the 90-degree inside unhooked so it doesn't get damaged in shipping. So you take the double nut off, put it up through the hole, and insert it through, and then put your jam nut on the back side to hold it in place. And tighten that up with a 3/4 inch wrench. So that means the power unit will be right here at this post, and we'll hook the power hose to this port. Now we're going to unpack everything so that we have just the legs taken out and all the parts. We're going to put all the parts in one spot so you can see them all together. Okay. So now the base plates of the second set of posts are bolted to the frame, so we have to undo the bolts. You'll need a 3/4 inch deep socket and a 3/4 inch open wrench. Okay, it's important once you get the post out and stood up that you have the cutouts for the locks on the outside of the lift. So your lift is sitting here, they're on the outside of the lift, as well as the ones over here. So you have a right and a left post, and you need to have it so when you put the cross arms on, the locks line up to the holes in the post.